WOLF stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Wolfspeed stock a buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Ultimately, this is a bearish market with a $1.57 level. Why do I say it's bearish? Well, if I zoom back ever since December 2024, I'm talking December 10. Was it December 10 when this video was made? Yeah, it was $10 at the same time. And it was December 10, right? A lot of 10s here. But since then, it's been melting down and now we're 153. 10 times less. Almost 10 times less, but we've been going down ever since. And what's next? Well, for me, because since it's a bearish market, I'm ready to pull the trigger to the downside and sell puts if there is a double break here, right? If not, then I'm not going to do so. Man, all I'm sticking to is my edge that I've refined over 43,000 videos. And if rules are not met, I just stay away. Simple as that. So if you want to stay tuned, get my money making emails and insights for free to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.